Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the resolution on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village, and you can find different buttons. You go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the last button, the settings. In the game performance section, you can find the second button, the resolution, and you can select the low, or the mid, or the high option. The select one, for example, the mid, click that, the square icon, and if it will be turned green, you can use the medium resolution. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.